So we are at this place called Polar Bear, and Ayush, if you want to taste the Chocozilla ice cream and tell us how it tastes. This is for 195 bucks. Yeah, how is it? It's yeah. I'm also tempted. Oh, oh, that's cream on top. And this is for 195 bucks. It's a very cute little ice cream parlor that is in Bachapalli.
And this ice cream is a 10 out of 10. So
Really?
good.
Really? Ooh. So it's 195, but this is like a treat for my child, really, because we've been doing a bit of exercise. That's our goal. So I'm just so happy that my kid is here, and this is this rare Monday afternoon. In fact, the first time ever on a Monday afternoon, as mother and child are at an ice cream shop having a treat. So this is a cute place, really. So it's called Polar Bear, and Ayush, this is a 9 on 10. 10 on 10. See, my child has begun giving these very absolutely high ratings, and even I am tempted to try it. So on that note,
Thanks for watching.
and please subscribe.